What up? All right, so today I'm going to be making air fryer chicken. I've never made chicken in an air fryer before. I've only actually used an air fryer like 5 times. So we'll see how it goes. I hope you like it. And if it sucks, I probably won't post this. If it's good, then we will. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks. All right, so the ingredients I'm going to use is I got 1.36 pounds of chicken breast that I just got at Walmart, just golden plump. My favorite, if I can hold on to it, my favorite seasoning of all time, Famous Dave's rib rub, and then some olive oil. Oh, also, you got to spray down the air fryer so that way it doesn't get all nasty with some cooking spray, and we're gonna do that. So, again, like I said, 1 packet of chicken, Famous Dave's rib rub, olive oil, cooking spray. See how it goes. All right, so I did 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a healthy amount. I can't even say it. A healthy amount of Famous Dave's rib rub. I'm trying to be serious, but I just can't do it. And this. Sorry. And this chicken. So we're going to spray down the air fryer. All right, listen, y'all. This is a very serious cooking show. We don't need to be laughing about shit in this show. But so this is meal prep. Again, air fryer chicken. Sorry, that last video, I don't know why I'm laughing at myself so much, but I'm trying to like do a serious like thing and I can't even be serious for 5 seconds. So when it comes to this, but all right, we'll continue on. So here we go. So we're going to get this thing fired up, 400 degrees. Seriously, but like real talk, if you guys don't have an air fryer, like I think we got this thing for $30. Spray it down. Oops. And I think we got it for like $30. Just trying to stay cleanly. And it's been freaking awesome. So you definitely want to get an air fryer if you don't have one. I'm going to jump this delicious chicken in here. There we go. Spray it down. And away we go. So I'll post how it looks when we're done. I hope it's good. I really want to post this video. Because if it sucks, then we're not going to do it. Oh, we got a little straggler here. A straggler. Yeah, because I really want to post this video. So I think it'll add some value to people that want to do meal prep. And like in the real sense of this, so this is going to cook up about... God, I'm all over the place. Sorry. Try not to give you guys seizures. All in all, this is going to be about, say about 35 grams of fat, about 120 grams of protein total. So I'm going to cook it up and eat it throughout the day. Probably split it into 3 meals. But we'll see what happens. It's Sunday. It's kind of a free day for me in terms of eating. I don't really eat on a schedule. We're for sure post this video. It already smells good as hell. So definitely going to post this because if it smells good, it probably is going to taste good. We'll see what happens. But I'm excited to try this recipe. But so I don't get paid by Famous Dave's or anything. But like Famous Dave's rib rub. Oh, it's already gone. Famous Dave's rib rub. It is the best seasoning ever. 100%. It's got a little sodium in it though. A lot of sodium. But nonetheless, sodium's not terrible as long as you eat it in moderation. So sodium is like one of them. Unless a doctor is telling you not to, I'm not going to go on a rant. So I'm not going to go on a rant on sodium. What am I doing? Oh damn! It's already coming along. Yes, sir. So I got it at 400 degrees. I think I set this to 20 minutes. Already halfway through. So I'm terrible at cooking because I eyeball everything. to be honest. Like, I feel like I'm a really good cook, but I eyeball everything, and I just kind of go with it, especially when it's something that I don't know, like an air fryer. And to be honest, I don't even know how to set this thing up, for real. I just kind of throw it in there, but yeah, we'll see how it goes, see how it looks. We're getting close to the end. But to be honest, I feel like we're going to have to go longer than 20 minutes. Because nobody likes undercooked chicken because you're going to get sick. I'm not trying to get sick. I'm healthy. I'm not trying to die. But yeah, we'll see how it looks. Oh, hell yeah, it's coming along. Still not done, but we're going to keep it going. I bet it's going to taste good. See, even the air fryer knows that it needs to be cooking longer than 20 minutes. Because now it's just on... wait. Yo, it's not done yet, dog. Oh, it's getting there, though. I was giving the air fryer more credit than it deserved. Turn on. Go back to 400. And begin. Boom, did you see that? I just like air gunned it and it went boom! Went on its own. Alright, 15. Oh, that's why. It like sets to 15 minutes. I feel like 20 minutes is probably gonna be long enough, but we'll find out. I'll let you know how long I cooked it in the video description, just so you don't have to waste your time. And eyeball it like me. I'm gonna be the guinea pig. I will be the one that figures it out. I'm sure there's like a recipe out there somewhere, but you guys can just use this because this is gonna be just as good. It'll be good. Now, one rant I will go on is that the reason why I'm cooking this is because it fits into my my fitness program on a daily basis. So like this chicken and olive oil, maybe not the sodium, but chicken and the olive oil fits into my like specific calories and macronutrients for the day. So that's what's most important. So like try to figure out stuff that's going to fit into your specific like macronutrient and calorie breakdown on a daily basis. So for me, that's what this is, and that's what this is going to do. So I'm pretty excited about trying this. We're reaching 12, so 13. So we're getting close to 20 minutes. Probably could have been shorter if I didn't keep opening it and closing it, but I'm doing trial and error. You gotta bear with me. Come on, bear with me. All right. So it's so bomb, guys. It's so good. Got a pair here, about 8 ounces of air fryer chicken for the win. And yeah, and honestly, I don't know if these two things go together, guys. Like this is just what my fitness program calls for. But pair air fryer chicken. This is about 45 grams of protein, about 15 grams of fat, and about 30 grams of carbohydrates. And there you go. That is a meal for today. Air fryer chicken. I'll post the recipe in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.